Alright, today we're going to be doing a tire rotation on my car. And by tire rotation I mean we're going to be taking the least bald tires, putting them on the back, and the baldest tires and putting them on the front. What I mean is the tires that are on this car are all the same. They're BF Goodrich Advantage TAs that were put on in July of 2019. So they're getting a little old and they're definitely getting a little bald. I think the back two are the baldest and the front two have a little tread left on them, but I'm going to have to get them all replaced probably within the next year. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pull all of them off. I'm going to inspect them all next to each other. I'm going to put the two baldest ones on the front, and then sometime soon I'm going to replace the front two tires, and I'm going to let the back ones ride until they're completely bald. And the reason for that is because the back tires you can kind of let go until they're completely bald. The front ones still need some traction and tread, obviously, so that you can steer. So, yeah, we're going to time-lapse pulling everything off. We're going to compare them next to each other, and we're going to put them back on with the two baldest ones up front and the least bald ones in the back. First step, we're going to pull off the lug covers. Alright, now let's jack the car up. Alright, car's up. Time to take the wheels off. Alright, had to do a slight bit of readjusting to make sure the front wheels were off the ground. Also, I took the liberty of marking each tire with a Sharpie, just so we know where they were originally. Let's get these tires off. Also, for those wondering, my parking brake is not on because it doesn't work. Alright, let's line these up and see what we got. Alright, got all four tires lined up, plus, special surprise, I've got all four tires lined up and the spare. This is what the spare out of a 2010 Jetta Sport Wagon looks like. Now, it is a full size, so to speak, but it's not the right size. It is a 195/65 R15. These are 205/55 16s. So they put this stupid warning on here about 50 miles an hour. It's a full-size spare, it's just not the right size. You could roll this if you need to, but it's a Bridgestone Taranza from in the 17th week of 2010. Look at the tread difference in it. First of all, if you stand them up, you can see here the height difference a little bit. Tread difference is crazy. You can dig your whole hands into this shit. But that's the spare. sit over there. I aired that up a bit ago. So I can already tell you just by looking at it, I'm just going to take a guess. Rear tire, rear tire. Let's see if I was right. This should be, yep, left front. This should be, where my writing went? Yep, right rear. We've got right front, and this is going to be, yep, left rear. So as I suspected, the rear tires are in worse shape. And as you can see, there's not a lot of tread left on any of them. But it looks like, to me, this one and this one seem to have the most tread. Because, like, this is definitely a front, because this still has the bars and tread going all the way. So this is going to be a front tire for sure. So I'm going to wheel this up to the front here. If I had to suspect, this was probably of the back, because the back ones had more tread. Oh no, this was a front tire, right front, okay. So this one, I'm getting myself confused. This is a right front, this is going to go on the back, because this still has good tread. Now among these three, this one and this one here are almost certainly, well, this one's still got some, if you look. Let me see. This one certainly has the most. So this should probably be another back tire. So this is going to be, yep, so this should be left front, right front. Yep. So this one here and this one here are going to be the front tires, because they have almost no tread left. So put this one on the front, and then this one will go on the other front. This one here should be, this was left front, okay. So this is going to, yep, go on the back. And this is going to go on the driver's side front. It was in fact a left rear. If you're wondering, this one was made in the 8th week of 2019. This one was made the 8th week of 2019. Finally, this one was made, 23rd week of 2019. Or 23rd, sorry. So 2 of them were the 23rd week, 2 of them were the 8th. Alright. Let's get these tires put back on now. Time to lower it back down. let's get these torqued up, put the covers back on. This car calls for 88 foot-pounds, so probably just gonna set it about there. That's probably good. Well, there we have it. We have swapped the worst 2 tires on the front and put the best 2 on the back. So now, sometime soon, I will be replacing these 2 front ones with new ones. And I will be doing the back ones probably maybe next summer or so, once they get to that point. So yeah, gonna pack up, take her for a drive, make sure everything's all good, and then we'll be all set. So thank you all for watching. Like, subscribe, and check out Isaac24.com. Peace. Can't see it. Peace.